Hello gentlemen traders and investors. Thank you so much for helping our project. All links can be found in the description of this video. Dear viewer, please give this video a royal like. Your like is essential for the development of the channel Guru.Markets. Now let's compare the company's current performance. MICRON Technology Inc. MU, ticker MU. The review was created using current data as of June 27, 2024. According to Classification Guru.Markets Corporation, MICRON Technology Inc. belongs to the subcategory CompSet. 62 organizations participate in the analysis, which is very representative. We start with summary information about the company. If you want, you can pause it. We propose to consider each indicator of the corporation in question more carefully. You can view the database with the ticker structure using the link in the pinned comment. Thank you for your repost and various other help, it helps a lot. Well, we're finally starting. Market capitalization of the company MICRON Technology Inc. MU, valued at $157.65 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $7,440 billion. MICRON Technology Inc. MU accounts for a share of 2.119%. This is one of the small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $43.85 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $726 billion. MICRON Technology Inc. constitutes a share of 6.038%. Comparing the occupied shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share MICRON Technology Inc. MU in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 2.119%. The balance sheet capitalization is 6.038%, which is 185% more than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of the market and book value of the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Overall company assessment. MICRON Technology Inc. will be presented towards the end of the review. Please review the progress of the analysis in full. The company under study has debt obligations of $14.47 billion. Debt to book value represents 33% of the company's equity. Score based on the level of the company's financial liabilities. Good, 1 point. The ratio of the company's market value to profit corresponds to 0. The subcategory average is 54, which is much worse than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's stock price to profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$3,767 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. This is extremely bad for the company's price. Assessment of projected future profits in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 8.6. The average for the subcategory is 9 and this is 4% lower than in the subcategory. Assessment of market value to revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $18,310 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. And this is negative for the company. Assessment of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in our analytics, then in this case, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Many thanks for your important subscription. The sales margin is -20.6%, with an average in the subcategory of 16.7%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 37.3%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 2.75%. This is 30% more than the market capitalization share. This fact shows the imbalance of the organization's exchange price MICRON Technology Inc., rather towards underestimation. The amount of capital per company employee is $3,666,000. Whereas in the subcategory there are $4,758,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 23%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $0,000. Average for the subcategory, $88,200. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit for each employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Sales per individual employee of the company is $426,000. In the subcategory $528,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 24%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Shares are short 2.4%, with a subcategory average of 4.6%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 59% for the company MICRON Technology Inc. Whereas for the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 51%. Technically, the subcategory's securities are quoted lower than the company's MICRON Technology Inc. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares MICRON Technology Inc. and subcategory shares. We see that over 12 months the company's shares MICRON Technology Inc. showed dynamics of 117.5%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory of 22.5%. This does not clearly indicate anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. The total result is -0.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.7 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire market in general, we can see that the average score for the entire market as a whole is 0.4 points. Against a score of -0.5 points for the company MICRON Technology Inc. Let's look at the order table, which is available. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all solutions with a help System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and free, link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's shares MICRON Technology Inc. MU. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets. The following decision was made. Do not open an order due to the fact that MICRON Technology Inc. not an underrated subcategory company. Many thanks to everyone for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets. You are the best audience in the whole world.